Kia's new all-electric vehicle, the EV6, promises to deliver the very best ownership experience by making the electric lifestyle a viable option for day-to-day mobility. Kia's EV6 has removed the perceived barriers that prevent many from making the switch to electric. As Kia's first dedicated electric vehicle, it provides rapid charging times, access to an extensive charging network, impressive long range, segment-leading interior space, and can even act as a portable battery pack to charge electrical appliances or other electric vehicles. The EV6 is designed inside and out to deliver the very best experience an electric vehicle can offer, making ownership as convenient and accessible as running an internal combustion engine vehicle, and with reduced environmental impact. EV6 introduces a world-first multi-high-speed charging system which provides EV6 drivers with access to a broader charging infrastructure. Multi-high-speed charging means that the system is compatible with both 800-volt ultra-fast charging and more mainstream 400-volt fast charging without the need for any special adapter or additional on-board charger. Stopping at an 800-volt charger feeds the current directly to the battery at ultra-fast speeds, charging the EV6 battery from 10% to 80% in just 18 minutes with a maximum power of 239 kilowatts. When EV6 stops at a more mainstream 400-volt charger, the EV6 using the vehicle's motor and inverter to convert the 400-volt current coming from the charging station into 800-volt so it can charge the battery at the maximum power provided by it. Kia has developed an integrated charging control unit which controls built-in bi-directional chargers and the vehicle charging management system. The charging control unit enables up to 3.6 kilowatts of power to be transferred from the vehicle battery to other devices. This vehicle-to-load function allows occupants to charge electrical items on the go, such as a laptop or home appliances using an outdoor vehicle-to-load gender connector. Vehicle-to-vehicle charging is also possible whereby power can be transferred to another electric vehicle, for example in an emergency, with the use of an in-cable control box cable and the vehicle-to-load gender connector. EV6 ohms battery is preserved by ensuring state of charge does not fall below 20%, at which point the vehicle-to-vehicle is disabled. Each of the carefully designed innovations available on the EV6 have been developed to ensure ease of use, intuitive functionality, and to make electric vehicle ownership a more accessible and viable option for more people. Vehicle-to-vehicle charging is also possible, whereby power can be transferred to another electric vehicle, for example in an emergency, with the use of an in-cable control box cable and the vehicle-to-load gender connector. EV6 ohms battery is preserved by ensuring state of charge does not fall below 20%, at which point the vehicle-to-vehicle is disabled. Each of the carefully designed innovations available on the EV6 have been developed to ensure ease of use, intuitive functionality, and to make electric vehicle ownership a more accessible and viable option for more people. Kia's EV6 is built on the company's new electric global modular platform, designed exclusively for its electric vehicles. This provides immediate advantages over adapting existing platforms designed to accommodate a combustion engine. The electric modular platform architecture ensures that EV6 provides a new electrification experience with powerful driving performance, ultra-fast charging, increased range, and enhanced safety. The exterior design of EV6 is a powerful representation of power to progress. An evolution of the brand's strengths in design, EV6 is a culmination of skills and expertise collected throughout Kia's design-led transformation, investigating the future and beyond. At the front, characteristic daytime running lights display a sleek modern appearance. They form part of the car's digital tiger face, a design progression evoking the spirit of Kia's tiger nose grille for the electrified era. The design of the lamps also includes a sequential dynamic light pattern. Below this, a low air intake visually widens the front of the car, accentuating its high-tech image. Part of the optimization of airflow from the front, the air is channeled through and under the car's flat floor for optimum aerodynamics. The side profile displays a crossover-inspired design aesthetic, which is modern, sleek and aerodynamic. This contrasts with sharp lines and high-tech details to create a sense of tension in the design. A swept-back windshield provides dynamism and purpose, while bold rear haunches add volume. A character line runs along the bottom of the doors, curving upwards towards the rear wheel arches, visually elongating the profile of the car. Designed in part to realize ultimate aerodynamic performance, the rear displays a sloping C-pillar with an integrated black glossy insert, which visually widens the window glass. Above this sits a prominent roof spoiler that channels air down towards a raised lower spoiler that sits atop the car's unique rear light cluster. EV6 is the result of a collaborative effort between all three studios in Kia's global design network in Namyang, Korea, Frankfurt, Germany, and Irvine, California, US. A distinct product of the electric vehicle era, the interior design is liberated by Kia's dedicated electric modular platform, which offers increased space compared to previous Kia electric vehicles based on existing model architecture. EV6's interior design profiles an innovative use of space, creating a unique spatial and driving experience. One of the most striking elements of the new interior is a seamless high-tech curved high-definition audio-visual and navigation screen. The simple form language of the wide curved screen and the slim dashboard give the space an open feel. Extending from the steering wheel across to the center of the car, it displays an instrument cluster in front of the driver, with infotainment and navigation above the center console. The width of the screen creates an immersive experience for the driver, while a minimal number of physical buttons offer an uncluttered and soothing driving experience. Underneath the audio-visual and navigation screen, passengers control heating, ventilation and air conditioning settings by using haptic buttons, while below this panel the dashboard slopes away towards the front of the car, creating a sense of space and openness for the front seat passengers. The seats are slim, lightweight and contemporary, and clad in modern, visually interesting and robust fabrics created using recycled plastics, which create yet greater openness in the cabin. The EV6 offers intelligent and flexible interior packaging and an abundance of cabin storage areas, including 18.3 cubic feet of boot space, with the second row seats in place. With the second row seats folded down, stowage capacity increases to approximately 46 cubic feet. The car also features a front trunk which provides up to an additional 1.8 cubic feet of stowage space for two-wheel drive models and 0.7 cubic feet for all-wheel drive models. Kia has raised the standards of range performance with the combination of electric modular platform architecture, power electronics and design that give EV6 one of the best all-electric ranges on the market. EV6 comes with a choice of fully electric zero-emission powertrain configurations, including a standard range 58 kWh and long-range 77.4 kWh high-voltage battery pack. Homologated WLTP values confirm that the rear-wheel drive 77.4 kWh EV6 can travel up to 328 miles on the combined cycle. That's similar to the distance from Geneva to Paris on a single charge. Less frequent charging removes one of the most significant barriers to electric vehicle ownership. The all-wheel drive EV6 can also deliver a strong range performance, 314 miles on the combined WLTP cycle. All-wheel drive combined electric energy consumption is as low as 3.6 miles per kilowatt-hours. With a maximum 446 pounds-feet of torque available on the all-wheel drive version, the EV6 can accelerate from 0 to 62 miles per hour in just 5.2 seconds. The 77.4 kilowatt-hours battery pack is paired with a 168 kilowatts electric motor powering the rear wheels, and for all-wheel drive models 2 electric motors powering the front and rear axles produce a total of 239 kilowatts. The 58 kilowatt-hours EV6 can accelerate from 0 to 62 miles per hour in 6.2 seconds, with a maximum 446 pounds-feet of torque available on the all-wheel drive version. The 58 kilowatt-hours battery pack is paired with a 125 kilowatts electric motor powering the rear wheels. All-wheel drive models feature 2 electric motors powering the front and rear axles and producing a combined 173 kilowatts. The EV6 is fitted with energy recuperation technologies to maximize driving range. This includes Kia's latest generation energy-efficient heat pump, which scavenges waste heat from the car's coolant system. This ensures that at -7 degrees Celsius the car can achieve 80% of the range that would be possible at 25 degrees Celsius. Also featured is the latest generation of Kia's smart regenerative braking system, which is operated by paddle shifters behind the steering wheel, so drivers can quickly and easily slow the car and recuperate kinetic energy to maximize driving range and efficiency. Drivers can choose from 6 regenerative braking levels, depending on the desired level of energy recuperation. The system's iPedal driving mode also allows the car to harvest the maximum amount of energy from its brakes and enables the driver to bring the car to a gentle halt without needing to push the brake pedal. The EV6 offers class-leading levels of safety and convenience thanks to its enhanced suite of driver assistance systems. They help to reduce many of the inherent hazards and stresses of driving, protecting occupants and other road users on every journey. Safe Exit Assist helps people avoid collisions with a rear-side vehicle when exiting EV6. When the occupant opens the door to exit the vehicle after a stop, the system provides a warning if an approaching vehicle from the rear side is detected. Safe Exit Assist also helps keep the rear door closed through operation of the electronic child lock. Lane following assist helps center the vehicle in the lane. When driving, lane following assist can be switched on and off with the press of a button. Highway driving assist helps maintain a set distance and speed from the vehicle ahead when driving on a highway, and also helps center the vehicle in the lane, even through a curve. In case of an adjacent vehicle driving in close proximity, highway driving assist assists to adjust the EV6's path, so to avoid any possible risk of collision. Also, with the driver's hands on the steering wheel and above a certain speed, a click of the indicator stalk will move the car into the corresponding lane. Remote Smart Parking Assist helps remotely park or exit a parking spot with the driver operating EV6 from outside the vehicle. Kia EV6 has achieved product carbon footprint certification and carbon measured label from the global climate change and sustainability consultancy The Carbon Trust, becoming the first Korean vehicle manufacturer to achieve the certificate. Kia's Plan S strategy puts electrification at the forefront of the company's future and sets the foundations for a full product lineup featuring 11 new battery electric vehicles by 2026. The EV6 is the first model to be launched under this new strategy and sets Kia firmly on the path to becoming a leader in the popularization of electric vehicles. Kia has given every consideration to ensuring that EV6 provides more than just zero-emissions mobility. With its first dedicated electric vehicle, the company has focused on measuring and reducing its carbon footprint throughout the vehicle's life cycle, ranging from the acquisition of raw materials, procurement of parts, transportation of parts, vehicle assembly, distribution, use, and end-of-life recycling. Priced at $58,500, the EV6 First Edition features the larger 77.4 kilowatt-hours battery pack supplying energy to a dual-motor all-wheel drive powertrain. It produces a combined output of 320 horsepower and 446 pounds-foot of torque. Deliveries aren't expected to commence until first quarter 2022.